How's it going, everybody? I'm Eric with 3 Crown Studio, and in this video we're going to continue discussing the topic of recording drums. Now, as I've mentioned before, the most important thing that you can do before you even think about grabbing microphones or hitting that record button is to make sure that your drums sound good in the first place. In our last video, I had my drum expert, Cody Maran, here, and he showed you guys how to get a great sounding kick drum. And in this video, I've got Cody back, and he's going to continue by next discussing how to get great sounding toms. So without further ado, let me roll that intro video and hand things over to Cody.
Hey guys, my name is Cody. I'm here to show you how to tune your toms. First, we're going to start with the rack tom. Today, we're going to be doing something a little untraditional. We're going to be applying a coated head on the resonant side and a clear head on the batter. First, we're going to start with the resonant head of the drum. We're going to place the head on top of the drum, then the rim, apply the rods and finger tighten each rod to make sure we get even tension across the drum. Now that we have even tension across the resonant head, we are going to apply full turns to each rod. There are many different ways you could tune toms, but today we're going for a more focused, tight tone, so we tune the resonant head to be tighter than the batter head. Now that we have the resonant head on the drum, we're going to go ahead and flip it over and get started with the batter head. Now that we have the batter head on the drum, we're going to go ahead and start tuning it. We want to have the batter head a little bit lower in tune than the resonant head, so instead of full turns on each rod, we're going to go ahead and do quarter turns on each rod. Now that we have our rack tom at a good starting point, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to our floor tom. Let's move on to fine tuning them. First thing you want to do is make sure that there's even tension across all heads. I'm going to show you how to do that by using your ear, but I'm also going to show you how to get more precise tuning by using a drum dial. By ear, what we do is we place 2 fingers in the center of the drum and use a drumstick to hit each rod where they're placed on the drum to make sure we have even tension. As you can tell, this one's a little bit out of tune, so I'm going to just tune it a little bit higher to match the pitch across from it. So this one is here. Now they're back in pitch. Now if you want to be more precise, I'm going to show you on the floor tom how to get even tension by using a drum dial. The drum dial is a really great tool to measure tension on a drum head. What you actually do is place the drum dial right up to the rim where the rod is located, and it will actually show you the tension measure on the drum. So I like to focus between 75 and 80. So for today, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it up to 76. So you're gonna go ahead and repeat this on each rod to ensure that you have even tension across the drum. Toms are sounding good. Last thing we need to do is add dampening to control the resonance. For batter heads, you can use gaff tape, but what I like to use is called moon gel. Moon gel is easy to place, and you can place it anywhere on the drum to get the correct dampening you want. So that's my quick tutorial on how to get great sounding toms.
Remember that there are always a lot of different ways that we can do things, and there really are no rules, which is what makes music fun. But if you're new to the world of tuning drums, hopefully this tutorial at least gets you to a good starting point. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section down below. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon so you can receive notifications whenever new videos go live. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.